Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of plastic welding machines. If you've ever had a cracked bumper, a broken kayak, or any plastic item that needs fixing, you know how frustrating it can be. But what if I told you there's a way to repair these items quickly and efficiently? That's right. Today we're reviewing the top 7 best plastic welders on the market. So stick around to find out which one suits your needs the best. Let's get started. 7. Master Appliance ProHeat Series Plastic Welding Kit. First up, we have the Master Appliance ProHeat Series Plastic Welding Kit. This kit is a powerhouse when it comes to plastic welding. It includes a pH 1400 LCD heat gun, 6 welding tips, starter welding rods, and a heavy-duty storage case. The heat gun features variable temperature controls, allowing you to adjust the heat from ambient to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, 649 degrees Celsius. This makes it perfect for a wide range of thermoplastic materials, including automotive bumpers, tops, and inflatables. One of the standout features of this kit is the LCD display, which lets you monitor the temperature and airflow precisely. This ensures that you get consistent results every time. The kit also includes a power interrupt reset feature, which prevents the heat gun from resuming heat after a power failure, adding an extra layer of safety. The 6 welding tips included in the kit are designed for specific applications such as speed welding, pendulum welding, mirror welding, and tack welding. This versatility makes it a great choice for both beginners and professionals. The heavy-duty storage case ensures that all your tools are organized and easy to transport. Overall, the Master Appliance ProHeat Series Plastic Welding Kit is a reliable and versatile tool that can handle a variety of plastic welding tasks. Whether you're repairing a cracked bumper or fabricating new plastic parts, this kit has got you covered. 6. DEWALT D26960K Heavy Duty. Next on our list is the DEWALT D26960K Heavy Duty Heat Gun. DEWALT is a brand known for its durable and high-quality tools, and this heat gun is no exception. It features an LCD display that allows you to adjust the temperature in 50-degree increments, giving you precise control over your welding projects. One of the key features of this heat gun is its built-in overload protection, which prevents the heating element from burning out. This ensures that your tool lasts longer and performs consistently. The ergonomic comfort, grip, and lightweight design make it easy to handle, even during extended use. The DEWALT D26960K comes with a variety of nozzle attachments, including a cone nozzle and a fishtail surface nozzle, making it suitable for different welding applications. The included hard case keeps all the accessories organized and protected. Customers have praised this heat gun for its reliability and ease of use. It's a great option for anyone looking for a high-quality heat gun that can handle a variety of tasks, from plastic welding to paint stripping and more. 5. Bondic Liquid Plastic Welder. Moving on to number 5, we have the Bondic Liquid Plastic Welder. This unique tool is not your traditional plastic welder. Instead of using heat, Bondic uses a liquid plastic that hardens when exposed to UV light. This makes it incredibly versatile and easy to use. The Bondic kit comes with a UV light, 2 cartridges of liquid plastic, and a starter kit. It's perfect for fixing small items like electrical connections, USB cords, and even shoes. The liquid plastic stays in its liquid form until you cure it with the UV light, giving you plenty of time to position it correctly. One of the biggest advantages of Bondic is that it can bond materials that traditional welders can't, such as glass and metal. It's also great for making quick repairs on the go, as it doesn't require any heat or special tools. Users have found Bondic to be a game changer for small repairs. It's easy to use, and the results are strong and durable. If you're looking for a versatile and portable plastic welder, Bondic is definitely worth considering. 4. JOUNJIP Plastic Welding Kit. This kit is designed for professional grade repairs and includes an 80 watts iron, 5 aluminium tape strips, sandpaper, 20 plastic rods, 2 welder tips, 2 reinforcing stainless steel wire meshes, an iron stand, and a wire brush. The JOUNJIP kit is perfect for repairing a range of TPO, TEO, and PP materials. It's ideal for fixing plastic car parts, kayaks, canoes, and more. The included Polyplus plastic rods are formulated with carbon and glass fibers for extra strength and flexibility, ensuring a strong bond. One of the standout features of this kit is its ease of use. The instructions are clear, and the process is straightforward. Simply clean and sand the affected area, cut the wire mesh to size, melt it into the back of the area using the welder, and then melt the plastic rods over the front. Once dry, sand until smooth and paint. Customers have praised the JOUNJIP kit for its effectiveness and ease of use. It's a great option for anyone looking to make professional grade repairs at home. Three, Allturn upgraded plastic welder. This kit includes a hot stapler unit, a cutter, a power cable, and 800 PCs of hot staples. The hot stapler gun heats special staples and welds them into the plastic, providing a strong and flexible repair. The Allturn kit is perfect for repairing broken and damaged plastics on automobiles, motorcycles, ATVs, boats, and industrial applications. It features 3 adjustable levels, low, middle, high, and 3 working positions for staples, 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 180 degrees, allowing you to customize the repair to your needs. One of the standout features of this kit is the variety of hot staples included. There are flat staples for thinner and straighter cracks, outside corner staples for outside corner cracks, and wave staples for larger and curved cracks. This versatility makes it a great choice for a wide range of repairs. Users have found the Allturn kit to be solid and reliable. The included metal braces add durability, and the kit does a great job of repairing hard plastic containers and other items. If you're looking for a versatile and effective plastic welder, the Allturn kit is a great option. 2. ATOLS Plastic Welding. At number 2, we have the ATOLS Plastic Welding Kit. This kit includes a hot stapler unit, 1000 PCs of staples, and a portable toolbox. The hot stapler gun heats the staples and welds them into the plastic, providing a strong and flexible repair. The ATOLS kit is perfect for repairing car bumpers, plastic containers, and other items. It features 3 adjustable levels and 3 working positions for staples, allowing you to customize the repair to your needs. The included staples come in a variety of shapes, making it easy to repair different types of cracks. One of the standout features of this kit is its portability. The included toolbox makes it easy to carry and store all the components. The kit is also easy to use, with clear instructions and a straightforward process. Users have praised the ATOLS kit for its effectiveness and ease of use. It's a great option for anyone looking to make quick and reliable repairs on the go. 1. OIMERRY Plastic Welder. Finally, at number 1, we have the OIMERRY Plastic Welder. This kit includes a hot stapler unit, a cutter, a power cable, and 800 PCs of hot staples. The hot stapler gun heats the staples and welds them into the plastic, providing a strong and flexible repair. The OIMERRY kit is perfect for repairing broken and damaged plastics on automobiles, motorcycles, ATVs, boats, and industrial applications. It features 5 adjustable power levels, allowing you to customize the heat to your needs. The included staples come in a variety of shapes, making it easy to repair different types of cracks. One of the standout features of this kit is its ease of use. The hot stapler gun heats up quickly, and the adjustable power levels make it easy to find the right setting for your repair. The included cutter and power cable add convenience, and the kit is easy to carry and store. Users have found the OIMERRY kit to be reliable and effective. The included metal braces add durability, and the kit does a great job of repairing hard plastic containers and other items. If you're looking for the best plastic welder on the market, the OIMERRY kit is the top choice. And there you have it, folks. Our top 7 best plastic welders on the market. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, there's a plastic welder on this list that will suit your needs. From the versatile Master Appliance ProHeat series to the reliable OIMERRY plastic welder, these tools will make your plastic repair projects a breeze. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tips. Let us know in the comments which plastic welder you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.